Hey friends, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. If you don't know, and now you know, Ryobi has released a new power station, and it doesn't run off of these 40-volt batteries. It now runs off of the 18 OnePlus batteries. Now, everybody has been really wanting this for a long time, and that's rightfully so, because you don't need to go out and buy all these 40-volt batteries. You can use your existing batteries, which is the best case scenario, especially if you have a lot of tools. Now, here's a couple things that you need to know about this new power station that you haven't heard in advertisements, and I'm going to help you with it. So the first thing is, do I buy it now or do I buy it later? Do I go ahead and buy the 40-volt station, or do I wait for the 18 OnePlus? Now, they're both 1800 watts, which is fantastic, but there's a big thing here. Sometimes you don't really have to choose, and in this case, maybe you don't have to choose, because this can work with the other one. If you need another power station, or you just want another power station, you can use this 40-volt power station and pair it with the 18-volt power station. You actually can run them in parallel, which is great because you have the two parallel ports right here that you can hook them together. They will work together, and you can get power out to whatever you're powering. Now, think about this. It's not the power that it's receiving from the inverters itself. It's the power that comes out of the inverters that matters. So you can pair those two together, because the pairing cord itself, well, it's the same for each one. So that is a big perk. So you can have the best of both worlds and go ahead and get both. But they're expensive. If you only get the station itself, that's going to cost you $800. Now, if you get the station plus batteries, that's going to cost you $1,000. Something else that you need to know about the new power station is that it does have USB charging. So not just a typical charging port that you have right here that's going to charge up these big batteries. It has a USB-C charging port to where it's going to charge through to the batteries. One of the big questions that I have, and I really hope that it's there, but we're not going to find out until we actually get it. Can it do pass-through charging? Does that USB-C allow for pass-through charging? That means if you're powering something else, like you're working on your refrigerator, or you're powering your refrigerator, TV, something, can you hook it up to a solar panel and charge the batteries as you're putting out power? That would be pass-through power, pass-through charging. That's really good. That's yet to be unseen, but with the new technologies, it is a possibility. I'm asking Ryobi. When I know, I'll let you know. But until then, these are some of the really good things that you need to know. They both are 1800 watts. They both have starting watts of 3000. That's really good. You know, for a small generator, that's really great. Another thing about these, with all battery power packs or power supplies, you don't have to put them outside because it's not internal combustion. So you don't have to go buy gas. You just got to charge these up. And that's a really positive thing. So everybody, I hope that this helped. Ryobi's coming out with some really awesome technology, and I hope that you take advantage of this, because I know I'm going to take advantage of it as much as I possibly can, and it will help our lives in so many different ways. If you did like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And share the video too. Don't be scared. Share the video. It's a challenge. Go ahead and share it. And I hope to see you in the next video. God bless everybody, and take care.